Hello friends, today our topic is system testing. It is also known as end-to-end testing, where the test environment is similar to the production environment and we will test the application as a whole system. It is third level of testing which comes after the integration testing. System testing focus on the behavior and the capability of the whole system or product. It is often considering the end-to-end task the system can perform and the non-functional behavior it exhibits while performing those tasks. Now coming to the objective of system testing, these are reducing risk, verifying whether the functional and non-functional behavior of the system are as designed and specified, validating that the system is complete and will work as expected, building confidence in the quality of a software system as a whole, finding defects, preventing defects from escaping to the higher test level or production. So, system testing will generally used to validate the end-to-end flow. So, suppose if we take an example of an email, so the end-to-end flow will be log into the application, composing an email, send it to the receiver side. So these are end-to-end flow. Now, if we talk about the e-commerce application, we can have the flow like searching for an product, searching for the product, then adding it to the cart section, then placing the order, making the payment. So these are the complete flow of an e-commerce application. These are one. There are many more flow which is required to validate in this system testing.